Alright, it looks like the gang knows what is up. Hello, sweetie. So I'm setting up, and I guess they are getting comfortable. I'm gonna sit on the ground this time, and I'm gonna spoon them. Let's document it. Ah, the first brave soul of the day. I wonder if that duck will come up. I'll stop feeding and maybe they'll come. Whoa there, I caught it on camera, yes! Oh, that was awesome. Oh, yay! Frenzy, let's get it! Brave souls gets his reward. That is for sure. Well, the ducks are so much heavier than the pigeons. Hello. Has anybody found their way into my bag? Oh, it's raining. Yes! I'm spooning them! No, they're spooning me. Let's see how close they get. I think I need to get in a better position so more of them can stand on me. That's right. Sorry. Okay, you guys get done too. This is chaos.